again! Welcome back to my summer sewing series. This is the Getaway Duo, a large tote bag and matching ruffle pouch set that I designed and turned into a sewing pattern. So after measuring, researching and thinking it through, I created this cute sturdy bag. One of my favorite features is the suitcase handle opening at the back. It slips through right onto your luggage, which makes airport travel so much easier. To go with it, I made a matching ruffle pouch that clips inside, perfect for keeping your passport, wallet, phone safe and easy to find. Before starting, I always recommend reading through the pattern instructions. It really helps things go smoothly. So I started by picking up the fabrics. For this bag, I repurposed an old pair of jeans and paired it with a 70s-inspired cotton print for the outside and a striped fabric for the lining. I made sure to cut all the pieces ahead of time and tack them to making sewing easier. I pinned everything carefully and quilted the back panels. And here's my sweet sewing companion, Marty the dog, taking a nap under my desk. Once all the back pieces were ready, I started assembling the bag. And then I moved on to making the ruffle pouch. I added a little carabiner hook so the pouch can clip easily to the bag. So if you're flying to a sunny destination this summer, or even if you're not, this one bag should do it all. From the airport, straight to the beach, or to the shops, or out with your baby's essentials. One bag, lots of space. Now, if you'd like to make your own, the pattern is available in my Etsy shop. Thanks for spending a quiet moment with me today. Until next time, happy sewing!